Alright, so guys, I'm trying to clear the path. It's cobweb over here. All the cobweb.
Hi guys!
So welcome back to my channel. As you know, it's Epic Tours, where it's about fun, food, travel, and being able to work remotely. So today I am here with Eat with Tina Chai and Miss Pink Peach. So we are actually about to do part 2 of our Craighton Estate tour. Guess what we're going to do today, guys? We are going to hike and we're going to plant a tree. So you guys will see all of that, and I do hope you enjoy it. Remember to like, subscribe, share, comment. About to head on the hike to the top of the mountain.
These are also coffee trees. And all the others you see, you saw coming up, those were also coffee trees as well. So these, however, are the other species of coffee. So this is a Robusta, right? Mm-hmm. And all the other plants you see on the property are Arabica. So
Alright guys, so we are actually on the hike now, making our way up to the top, up to the top, up to the top. You can see behind me, we've been doing quite a few sets of stairs. You can hear one of us heavy breathing.
So I said, when you're harvesting, it's really going to select the right place. So it is average harvester, no less than 4 hours before we start a box of coffee. Right? A box of coffee is roughly about 70 pounds of red service. So in a day, if you're an average harvester, you need about 2 boxes of coffee. You're excellent for what you show.
So guys, just one quick reminder. You see how these berries look nice and pretty with that purple, and they're bright and lovely? Don't do it. You know what they are? They are killer berries, okay? So they're actually poisonous, so you don't want to try any of these. So if you do take the tour, don't pick the people and berries, because you might not make it to the top of the tour. All right, so just a word of warning. What you said a while ago? This is one long walk. So guys, we still have ways to go. Ways. See how far? Look at that. What else? Can I tell you? Persevere. Keep on keeping on. You've got this. Mental strength.
And at the moment, we're actually 3,156 feet.
I could pick the reddest one. Me too. We want dark red or like bright red?
Dark red.
You can ask.
What about the green ones?
Well, they won't have any taste.
We eat it with the skin or no skin?
Well, you eat it like a guinea. So you want ones that doesn't have a hole in the base, right?
You want one that doesn't have a hole.
Yeah, so if it has a hole in the base, it means it has a berry borer on the inside.
There's a seed. Okay, it's
I don't
moving.
know.
What does that mean?
There's a
Worm?
Yeah, the other end.
It's not a worm.
Like this?
So I don't know
Yeah.
what I'm looking for.
So,
So-
later you come and pick them, you know.
Oh,
because-
I don't have it.
yeah.
Exact. So that's the reason I said the next tree was
It's
actually
kinda
a lot
zooming
better.
on
Oh, let's do
That's
that
what you're
then.
talking?
No, that is perfectly fine.
This is fine.
That is perfectly
So then
fine.
we're okay.
Oh, not mine. I saw the thing moving in there. I'm
I
like,
never see nothing.
I don't need to take up no insulin.
So
Oh.
I'm not sure if this is meat.
That is like,
I
don't
eat the
like-
skin?
I don't like the skin.
Yeah, yeah.
that's the reason I say you eat it like a guinea. So you get rid of the skin.
Okay.
I think we were doing it the other way around.
I
The
just saw you
skin,
said that.
actually.
Money if I eat the skin. Jeez.
No, I didn't.
It's like June plum. The skin kind of like
tastes
a
like-
June plum. No, not June plum. The red plum.
But why would
Even if
somebody
it's like a
eat
guinea
this?
pig, just throw this out
There's
after.
nothing.
But yeah,
It don't have much flavor.
I mean,
Let me tell you what it reminds me of. Cocoa?
I'm not sure how I feel about it.
Remind me of cocoa.
I prefer to drink it.
It don't taste
It don't
like
taste
coffee.
anything like
It-
what you
it's
drink.
slightly
No, I mean I prefer to
sweet.
drink what it comes out to be.
It kind of sweet.
So what can you do with this? Plant it? I'm just joking.
Absolutely.
What would you
Oh,
want?
okay then.
And
No,
it's
I
like-
think that's what they say.
I mean, it never tastes bad,
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
but it never tastes good.
It just never have much.
It just
Taste.
tasteless.
Yeah, that's why I say I feel like it tastes like the green one. Oh, sorry. This one kind of. All right, guys. So we are on our way down. Where's Tina's so small around here. So guys, we're gonna be planters today. We're gonna be planting. We're going to. Okay, I'm so very sorry.
No, you want to lift it up a bit. Lift up a tree a bit.
Man, look like I just struggle already.
It's firm.
So guys, we got some labels that we're going to be putting on the trees, right? So we have EpicTourzZ, we have Pink Peach, and we have Eat with Tina. So we are going to put them and tag our tree.